backing out of the driveway, and I got a new case for my GoPro, and hopefully the sound will be better on these videos. I'm getting ready to go pick up a microphone that I ordered, and hopefully that will also help with the audio issues I've been having. I apologize for the sound quality in a couple of my videos, but hey, I really don't know what I'm doing, so I'm learning as I go. We have both GoPros going. This is the Session 4, and this is the Hero 4 Silver. I'm trying to do an audio comparison of the Hero Session versus the Hero 4 Silver. The reason why I'm doing this is because I got a skeleton case for this for Silver, and it's very heavy and it shakes in this Windows sucky mount. It doesn't suck. I mean, it does, but that's what it's supposed to do. So, test. I will compare them and see what I should use. I know this is shaky. This is more steady. Okay, here's a audio check of the Jeep not moving. This is the Hero 4 Silver. This is the Hero 4 Session. So, Silver Session, Silver Session, Silverson. Okay, now we're gonna try it with the new microphone setup. I'm hoping this is a lot better. If not, I feel like I may have just wasted some money. But say hey, Braden.
Hey.
Hopefully this is a lot better for everybody, including me. I hope it will help me advance in my vlogging career.